Ang topic natin for today is a Java program na magsusort ng strings alphabetically. Okay? For example, nag-input tayo ng blue, apple, cat. And after masort, dapat ang maging arrangement niya ay apple, blue, cat. Or vice versa. Pero ang gagawin natin, ascending order. Okay? Dito sa first cycle of x, nag-start siya sa x equals 0. Ito yung for loop na condition natin is 0 is less than the value of n, which is 3. Yung 3, ayun yung number of container natin. Ito yun. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Is 0 is less than 3? If yes, then proceed tayo dito. And yung y equals 1. Is 1 is less than 3? Yes. And then puproceed tayo sa area na to. Okay? For the meantime, i-disregard natin to for the sake of explanation. And hindi tayo masyadong maguluhan. Okay? Okay. Now, if the value of y is 1, names 1 minus 1 is name index 0. Okay? Now, k equals name index 0. And the value of names index 0 is 13. Therefore, the value of k is 13. Now, names index y minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Names index y plus 1. 1. Now, the value of name index 1 is 4. Okay? Which is name index 0 equals 4. And the same with this. Name index 1 equals the value of k, which is 13. Therefore, the value of name index 1 is 13. And the new arrangement is 4, 13, 1. Okay? Okay. Ito yung bagong arrangement natin. 4, 13, 1. Diba? 4, 13, 1. 4, 13, 1. Okay? Then, proceed tayo. Nasa first cycle of x pa din tayo, di ba? Pero, nasa second cycle na tayo ng y, which is 2. Okay? Is 2 is less than 3? Yes, of course. Then, puproceed tayo dito sa area na to. Okay? Names index 2 minus 1, which is 1. Therefore, k equals names index 1, which is 13. Therefore, k equals 13. Names 2 minus 1, 1 equals names index 2. Therefore, names index 1 is equals to names index 2, which is 1. Name index 1 equals 1. Names index 2 equals the value of k, which is 13. Therefore, the new value of name index 2 is 13. So, ito na. Here's the new arrangement. Index 0 is 4. Right? Yes, there's no changes. For index 1, we have 1. For index 2, we have 13. The new arrangement is 4, 1, 13. Sa pagpuproceed natin ng y, kapag nag-increment tayo ng isa pa, is 3 is less than 3? Siyempre hindi na pwede. That's why, ititigil natin to. And then, we're going to back to the original for loop. And then, mag-increment tayo ng isa, ng 1. Therefore, the new value of x is 1. Okay? The new value of x is 1. Dahil 0 tayo nagsimula. So, 1. Okay? Now, in the second cycle of x, which is 1, and then, if 1 is less than 3, therefore, puproceed tayo dito, is 1 is less than 3? Yes, of course, then magpuproceed tayo dito. Okay? If y equals 1, 1 minus 1, 0, names index 0 is 4. Therefore, the new value of k is 4. Names 1 minus 1, 0, y, 1. Therefore, the value of names index 0 is the value of names index 1, which is 1. Okay? Names index 1 equals the value of k, which is 4. Therefore, our index 0 is 1, index 1 is 4, and the index 2 is 13. Remain 13. Therefore, nakuha na natin yung tamang arrangement. Okay? 1, 4, 13. Pwede pa naman nating ituloy yung progress ng for loop natin. Kaya nga lang, magpalagay natin ganito. If 2 is less than 3, yes, pwede pa. Okay? Kaya nga lang, dito natin ma-apply itong condition na to. Okay? Pagpalagay natin ang value ng y natin is 2. Names index 2 minus 1, which is 1. 1 that compare to names index y equals 2. Okay? Balik tayo dito. Yung index 1 natin is 4. And then, yung index 2 natin is 13. Now, dito ko na-explain yung halaga ng compare to. Ayun din yung reason kung bakit nako-compare natin yung hierarchy ng character sa strings. The comparison is based on the Unicode value of each character in the strings. It compares two strings lexicographically. Okay? The method returns 0 if the strings is equal to the other strings. Okay? So, sa madaling salita, yung .compareTo method, tatlo lang nire-return yan. It's either -1, 0, or +1. So, tingnan nyo yung example natin dito. Sa Unicode value, ito yung value ng uppercase A, 65, B, 66, lowercase a, 97, and lowercase b, 98. So, tingnan natin yung example natin dito. Assuming na yung apple is 97, 97 compared to 97, meaning equals, okay? So, it returns 0, okay? Assuming that blue is 98, that compared to apple, which is 97, meaning greater than, so +1. Assuming that apple is 97 comparing to blue, which is 98, less than. So, dito na natin ilagay ito. Sabi ko nga kanina, kung itutuloy natin tong y equals 2, ito nang kalalabasan yan. 2 minus 1, 1, 2. Eh, yung name index 1 natin is 4. And yung name index 2 natin is 13. If 4 that compared to 13, ang kalalabasan niyan less than. Okay? Mas mababa. Therefore, it returns -1. Now, if -1 is -1 greater than 0, syempre hindi. That's why, ita-terminate na niya to. And then, babalik siya dito. And dahil ganun na din yung mangyayari, ita-terminate na niya lahat. Diba? Now, i-incorporate na natin yung strings doon sa number na nilagay natin. Yung 13, 4, 1. Okay? Now, yung 13 for milk, yung 4 for dog, and yung 1 for apple. Okay? So, ang nakuha natin kay kanina yung 13, which is milk. Index 0 for dog, and index 1 for 13 milk. So, napapansin natin na nag-swap to. Yung milk and dog. Yung dog natin, naging index 0, yung milk natin for dito. And then, yung apple remained. Doon sa cycle naman nito, wherein yung index 1 natin ay apple na, yung index 2 naging milk. Napansin natin, nag-swap naman tong milk and apple. Okay? Apple, milk. And then yung dog remained. Now, doon sa last cycle natin, yung index 0 natin naging apple, and yung index 1, 4, naging dog, and then yung index 2, which is milk, remained. So, ascending na siya. Apple, dog, and milk. So, kung paano nagsaswap kanina yung integer natin, ganun din sa strings. Kasi may Unicode value na basis yung system. Okay? Ayan. Pinagpantay ko na siya. 97 is less than 100. 100 is less than 109. So, ganun din yung nilagay ko ng number. 1 is less than 4. 4 is less than 13. Okay? So, proceed tayo sa coding section natin. Okay, ito na rin yung steps na susundan natin sa pagbuo ng program na magsosort ng strings sa Java. Okay? Una, we must print out how many names do you want to alphabetically arrange. Okay? So, system dot out dot print ln and then copy lang natin to. Copy. And then paste. Okay? Next, accept user input. So, i-accept natin yung kung gaano karami yung number of names na gagawin natin. Okay? I-sort natin. Gagamit tayo ng scanner. Import java.util.scanner. Okay? And then scanner, let's say scan equals new scanner system dot in, and then use scanner for integer and string. So yung i-input natin na value, gagamitin natin siya for integer and string. Okay? So int n, and then n equals scan dot next int, and then scan dot next line for string, and then print out, enter the n names. Okay. System dot out dot print ln, enter the how many names, enter the n names, n, tapos lagyan natin ganito, ganyan, and then make an array for the user input. Gagawa tayo ng array na paglalagyan natin ng mga names na i-input natin. Okay. Let's say string names new string integer n. And then, ayun na nga, accept names. Ito na yun. Accept names. Bali, okay. I-accept natin yung names. So, kung gaano karami, yun yung ilulup natin. For example, 3 names. So, ano to? Ba't ganito yung x niya? Okay. N, x plus plus, 4. Kanino ba to? Oh. System that okay. Names equals scan dot next line okay na. Kung gaano karami yung names na kailangan, ay hindi yung times na maglulup to. Nahihingi siya ng name. Okay? And then, apply the logic for sorting program. So, kung ano yung diniscuss natin kanina, yun na rin yung ilalagay natin dito. Okay? For int x equals 0, x less than n, x plus plus, tapos sa loob nito, another for loop, int y equals 1, y is less than number, and y plus plus, and then okay, yun natin para tandaan, for loop number 1 and for loop number 2, and then the if condition, names index y minus 1 that compare to names index y. Tama ba? Okay. Less than 0. Okay. Then if k equals names in ang k natin na string, k equals name natin kanina, y okay. And then apply the logic for sorting program. Okay na. And then print out the result. So after natin ma-sort, i-print out natin answer. The system that out that print ln names x. So print out the result. So, kailangan natin i-loop to. For loop in x equals 0, x less than the number, and then x plus. Okay. Tama. Uy. Okay, cannot find in x. So, try natin kung gagana yung program. So, ito na. How many names do you want to alphabetically arrange? Let's say 5 names. Enter the 5 names. Let's say Alpha, Syra, Kati, Hill, and Blues. So, makikita natin dito na yung input nating Alpha, Syra, Kati, Hill, Blues, narin siya into Alpha, Blues, Kati, Hill, Syra. Alphabetically arranged na ba? So, alphabetically arranged na siya. So, lagyan natin ng space para makita talaga natin. System.out.print ln. Okay. Run. Let's say 10 names. Under Laila, Brock, Alucard, Balmon, Gushon, Baksha, Tigril, Cyclops, sino pa pa? Hanabi. Kulang pa. Ranger. Ayan. Nung after sorting, ito yung kinalabasan. Alucard, Balmond, Baksha, Cyclops, Granger, Croc, Gushon, Hanabi, Laila, and Tigril. Alphabetically arranged na ba? Okay. Nakuha natin yung tamang sagot. Okay? So, ayun lang. Thank you and have a good time.